Once heralded as the wunderkind entrepreneur of cryptocurrency, Sam Bankman-Fried today is in a jail in the Bahamas, where he's vowing to fight his extradition to the U.S. In New York, federal authorities laying out their criminal case against him.
And I want to be clear, this case is about fraud. Fraud is fraud.
And they say this fraud is one of the biggest in U.S. history, with a staggering $8 billion in customer deposits now missing. Prosecutors charging the 30-year-old with 8 criminal counts, including conspiracy to defraud investors, lenders, and the U.S. government. And they say he moved billions of dollars of FTX customer funds to his hedge fund, Alameda.
He used that money for his personal benefit, including to make personal investments and to cover expenses and debts of his hedge fund, Alameda Research.
According to a civil complaint filed by the SEC, Bankman-Fried lied to both investors and customers, creating a business that the government says was a house of cards, promising consumer protections that were never there, and pitching the exchange with high-profile celebrities. According to the SEC, customers around the world believed his lies and sent billions of dollars to FTX. Bankman-Fried allegedly used the money for his own personal gain, including lavish real estate purchases and large political donations. The former FTX CEO denied the accusations of fraud in an interview with Andrew Ross Sorkin.
I made a lot of mistakes or things I would give anything to be able to do over again. I didn't ever try to commit fraud on anyone.
Bankman-Fried was supposed to testify at a congressional hearing Tuesday. Instead, the new CEO of the now bankrupt FTX, who took over after Bankman-Fried resigned, sat answering questions for 4 hours, trying to explain how the company fell apart.
The FTX group's collapse appears to stem from absolute concentration of control in the hands of a small group of grossly inexperienced and unsophisticated individuals.
When asked to respond to Bankman-Fried's denial that there was fraud, he had this to say.
I don't find any such statements to be credible.
So Bankman-Fried told the court in the Bahamas he's going to fight extradition. His attorneys say they are considering all legal options, while the magistrate judge rejected bail and said he will be held in custody in the Bahamas until February 8th. Bankman-Fried was in the courtroom supported by his parents yesterday.
Both professors, right?
Yeah, at Stanford. Yes, the law school.
Law professor.
Law professor. All right, that's right.
Stephanie, thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.